Introducing the 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan HL 2.0tdi M6F 150HP 5-door in sleek white. This stunning estate on Jeep is packed with top-of-the-line features, from air conditioning to Android Auto, CarPlay and everything in between. Safety is paramount with ABS, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. Enjoy the stylish chrome package, privacy glass and roof rails for that extra touch of class. Not to mention the headlight washers and stop and start system for added convenience. Fully serviced and with a comprehensive warranty, this Tiguan has passed a thorough health and safety check. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information. Drive home in luxury today.